Welcome dear children. I am Sir Sunil, your chemistry teacher. Good morning everyone. I hope you all are fine. Okay, today we are going to discuss about a famous scientist, Anthony Lavoisier. All of you please take out your book. All those who don't have the book, please stay on video. Okay students, Anthony Lavoisier. Anthony Laurent de Lavoisier was born to a wealthy noble family in Paris on 26 August 1743. Please underline it. Lavoisier studied at the University of Paris and graduated when he was 20. He had special interest in chemistry, botany, astronomy and mathematics. He joined a tax collecting company on contract with the royal government. The company collected taxes on goods transported to and from Paris. Lavoisier pursued scientific research only in his spare time. His most fundamental contribution to chemistry was that he changed the nature of the subject from qualitative to quantitative. Suppose one observes that hydrogen reacts with oxygen to form water. This observation is only qualitative in nature. Suppose one observes that hydrogen reacts with oxygen to form water. This observation is only a qualitative in nature. One will have to take into account the quantities of hydrogen, oxygen and water before making an exact statement. Lavoisier proved that by weight, 1 part of hydrogen reacts with the 8 parts of oxygen to form 9 parts of water. What Lavoisier proved, you see, you please underline it. Lavoisier proved that by weight, 1 part of hydrogen reacts with the 8 parts of oxygen to form 9 parts of water. This proved that hydrogen and oxygen are simpler substances of which water is made. So, water is not an element as alchemists believed. Okay, as alchemists believed that water is an element, panch tattva. Clear? But by this invention of Anthony Lavoisier, that alchemist beliefs failed. Water is in fact a compound. Water is in fact a compound as we know today. We know that water H2O is a compound. Thus, it is considered that Lavoisier was the father of modern chemistry. Who is the father of modern chemistry? Lavoisier. Lavoisier made the contributions to as outlined below. First one, he identified hydrogen and oxygen. He identified hydrogen and oxygen. Hydrogen was first obtained by Robert Boyle and oxygen by Priestley. Also, Lavoisier proved that a substance burns only in the presence of oxygen. A substance burns only the presence of oxygen, and also that while burning a substance combines with the oxygen. While burning, in burning process, a substance combines with the oxygen. This thing proved by Anthony Lavoisier. He suggested that the metric system of weights and measures, and also he established that sulfur is an element and not a compound. He also established that sulfur is an element, not a compound. He predicted the existence of silicon. Anthony Lavoisier predicted the existence of silicon. And also he suggested that a better system of naming elements and compounds. He suggested a better system of naming elements and compounds. And also he suggested that matter may change its form or shape but not its mass. It's an important point. He suggested that matter may change its form or shape but not its mass. Anyway, the end of the great scientist was extremely tragic. After the French Revolution, the political situation changed and Lavoisier was declared a traitor. On false grounds, he was tried and guillotined or beheaded at the age of 50 on 8 May 1724 in Paris. So dear students, now we are going to discuss about another famous scientist, John Dalton. You please go through the photo of John Dalton. Okay students, this is John Dalton. Okay, about him we will discuss tomorrow's session. It's time to wind up our class. Goodbye.